Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kanpal. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kanpal. Class 6. First of all, today we are going to start a practical to a related PowerPoint advanced features. Okay, so student, today we are going to start a practical of using a theme accordingly templates. Okay, and changing theme color, changing themes font, customizing a theme. So let's start, student. First of all, open PowerPoint. See, okay. Then student, see properly, this is in a home tab, new slide. Okay, just click new slide and you can see different types of office themes available is here. Okay, you can see title slide, you can enter any title, so you can pick up choose a title slides only. Okay, then you want to choose a second slide, so title and content accordingly combination of a office theme. Then third is section header, next to content. Okay, if you want to choose accordingly, write and click about paste any picture to accordingly to content, so choose to content. Then comparison, compare to different types of pictures. Now next is title only, blank and content with caption, pictures with caption. All available themes available are office themes in presentation. Okay, then student, click and choose any presentation accordingly. Okay, so students, see properly. Okay, this slide of a related or types of computer. Okay, so student, first of all, click first of all design tab. Okay, in a design tab, click and see properly different types of themes are available. Okay, in your presentation. So student, just click any one in your theme accordingly. See, change this theme in your slide. Okay, then next you can choose another one, so just click and see. Okay, next theme applied. Then see properly different types of themes are available in your presentation. So this is your changing themes and creating a presentation using a theme. Okay, see properly, student. Okay, so different types of themes is here in your presentation. Okay, now next is theme color. Okay, so student, just click a theme color option. Okay, different types of customs themes are available. So see properly, accordingly changes in your slide, so you can choose any different types of theme, color, name or options. Okay, our brands. Okay, so paper, origin, module, so types of different types of names of a themes color. Okay, so this is a custom theme color in your presentation, you can choose and then apply. Okay, then student, next is your background style. Okay, just click a background style. So see properly, see this is a background style and background colors in your theme according. Just click and you can choose and applied in your presentation. Okay, then student, next is your theme font. Okay, next is theme font. Just click a theme font. See properly, in your presentation you can apply different types of theme fonts. Okay, just click a fonts and apply it in this font. Okay, theme font. Then next is your option is effects, theme effects. So just click, see properly different types of theme effects and name also available. Office, Apex, okay, Equality, Flow, Origin, Paper, Urban, different types of effects, themes effects are available in your presentation. Just click and choose and apply. Okay, so student, classes, all of you practice in your presentation, your file at your home. So student, do practice at your home practical to related presentation using a theme, using a theme color. Okay, themes, fonts and a background styles changing. Okay, saving the theme, then changing theme effects also. Okay student, so do practice. Class 6, your chapter number 5, PowerPoint Advanced Features. Now student, today we are going to start a new chapter, PowerPoint Advanced Features. So student, let's start these topics. Now student, see here properly. Today we are going to discuss about these topics. First, creating a presentation using a theme related, and second, customizing a theme. Third, changing theme effects, and fourth last about PowerPoint templates. Okay students. So students, let's start this topic. So students, see properly, creating a presentation using a theme. We know very well what is exactly PowerPoint and how to operate properly. Okay, so student, our theme is a predefined combination of background colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation. So using a theme, we can easily format our entire presentation to give it a professional look. So means, let us now learn to create a new presentation using a theme related. Okay, so now student, come to the steps step by step. So first, click on the File tab and then on the New option. Okay, first of all, open a File tab, then select Choose a New option. Second student, in the Available Templates and Theme section, click on the Themes button. Okay, now student, come to the next third point. Steps, scroll through the list of themes and select suitable one. Okay. Then fourth steps, click on the Create button. So a new presentation with selected theme is created. With the title slide, you can add more slide as required. Okay. We can apply it and open properly, first of all, step by step, to a new file and new option available in a presentation. Now see a student, see a properly template and themes related in PowerPoint. Many themes are available in a PowerPoint, okay, and templates already. Then student, next topic is your customizing a theme. Means after applying a theme to a presentation, we may feel that all elements of the theme are not as per our liking. So for example, we might like the fonts from the theme but not its color scheme. So in such a case, PowerPoint 2010 allow us to select a different color scheme, okay, and modify the theme to customize it as per our needs. So student, in a customizing our theme, first of all, let's start changing themes color. Okay, see student, we can change the themes color accordingly. The steps to change the theme colors are as follows. Okay, so let's start the first step. Open the first of all Design tab and click the Theme Colors button. Okay, then a drop down menu will be appear. Then come to the second, hover the mouse over the different sets of themes color to see a live preview. Okay, so student, next third, select the set of themes color you want. Okay, you want to choose a different types of theme, you want choose only one theme. Okay, then next student, the theme colors will get applied. Okay, then student, remember, sometimes when the themes color are changed, the text color may not update on all slides. So this occurs say when close your file. When you reopen it, it should be display the correct colors. So student, see here properly of a theme color list. Okay, accordingly we can choose a theme color of a list to apply our project status report. Okay, we can maintain properly to choose a themes color. Then student, next, changing themes fonts. How to changing themes in our presentation. So let's start. We can change the themes fonts. So these steps to change the theme fonts are as follows. So first of all, from the Design tab, click the Theme Fonts command. Okay, then a drop down menu will be appear. Okay, then second, hover the mouse over the different sets of themes fonts to see a live preview. Okay, we can see a properly live preview to show a presentation. Then come out next third, select the set of themes fonts you want. So the theme fonts will get applied. Okay, so see properly a picture of a students to show theme fonts list. Okay, we can choose different types of fonts and we can apply it in our presentation on a file to choose different types of theme like Arials, Calibris, okay, Cambrai, all etc. or fonts list in our presentation, okay, and we can choose and properly apply it in our presentation. So student, next topic is your changing theme effects. Means we can change the theme effects. So these steps to change the theme effects are as follows. Okay, we can apply two themes in our presentation. So first step student, from the design tab, first of all open, then click the theme effects command. A drop down menu will appear. Okay, then second student, hover the mouse over the different sets of theme effects to see a live preview. Okay, then student third, select the set of theme effects you want. The change theme effects will get applied finally. Okay, now see student, this is the themes effects list. Okay, different types of themes effect list, and we can apply it and choose any one. Okay, in this our presentation. Then next student, next is you are changing the background styles. So student, how to change a background style in our presentation? So to further customize our slides, we can change the color and texture of the themes accordingly background by choosing a different background style. So steps to do are follows. First, from the open design tab, click the background style command. Okay, then second, select the desired style. Then the new background will appear in the slides. Okay, and the students, the available background styles will vary depending on the themes you are using. Okay. Then next student, next is saving the theme. So how to save the themes? So once we have found the settings that we like, we would want to save the theme so it can be used in other presentation as well. So the steps to do are as follows. Number first, from the design tab, click the more themes command. Okay, the drop down menu will appear. Okay, then select save current theme option. Okay, now student third, type of filing, any type of filing. Okay, for your theme related. Then click save. Finally, the theme will get saved with the given name. Accordingly, you can choose any name to a file and apply any theme in your presentation. Okay. So students, see properly, this is a background styles. Okay, you can choose a background style in your presentation. Then student, next is your save current theme dialog box. Okay, see properly, save current theme. You can type in this position, you can write this name, and after you will click the save button. Okay, then finally your theme will be saved. Now student, next come out the next topic. First of all, see activity. So create a presentation on a different seasons of a year using the themes, slip streams, insert the contents, pictures and text. So and readjust the positioning of the various placeholders and objects as per your requirement. So you can take clues from the sample given here. Okay, so students, see this presentation accordingly. Okay, you can practice all of you in at your home different types of create a presentation to related a topic, weather and seasons. Okay, like the summer season, monsoon seasons, autumn seasons, winter season, spring season. Okay, do it yourself and practice at your home. First of all, activity. Okay, then student, next is about PowerPoint templates. So student, a template is a ready-made presentation with a predefined background, font colors, okay, placeholders and bullet styles, where spaces are left for the user to add contents accordingly and her specific needs. So the use of templates for creating a presentation not only give a neat and professional look so to the presentation, but also save a lot of our time. We can do many things in related of a presentation and ready-made templates we used. Okay, then student, creating a presentation from a template. How to create a presentation? So PowerPoint 2010 comes with a number of styles, templates that we can use for creating our presentation. So these steps to create such as presentation are as follows. So number first student, let's start. Click on the file tab. First of all open, then select new from the list of options that appears. Okay, finally in the available templates and theme section, click on sample templates. Then templates installed on your computer will be displayed. Okay, Now third, select a required template and click on the create button. So our presentation consisting of multiple slides with the selected template will be created. Okay. So student, this is available templates in PowerPoint 2010. So different types of template, ready-made templates are available in your PowerPoint. You can choose any one and apply it in your presentation. Okay. Now, in case none of the sample templates cater to your needs, you can look into the office.com template section. Okay. If you find a suitable template there, download it and then use it to create your presentation. Okay. Different types of templates in your presentation. Okay, students. So, student, today we discuss about this actually creating a presentation using theme accordingly, theme related, discuss about his fonts, font style, templates related. Okay, and template is your ready-made in your presentation and you can apply it any choose of a one template and another you can choose and different types of themes, effects, font style, etc. in your presentation. Okay, students. So, class 6. Your today's homework is chapter number 5th, read page number 52 to 55, okay, and page number 52 do in your book, okay students.